Hi guys, I'm Couleurs and today I will teach you how to say colors in French. So guys, are you ready? Let's start. Red, rouge, bleu, bleu, green, vert, yellow, jaune, orange, orange, purple, violet, pink, rose, brown, marron, black, noir, white, blanc, and grey, gris. So guys, do you remember all the colors that I said? Now let's repeat them together. Red, rouge, blue, bleu, green, vert, yellow, jaune, orange, orange, purple, violet, pink, rose, brown, marron, black, noir, white, blanc, and grey, gris. I hope you guys enjoyed learning color names in French. But if you know any more colors that I don't know, you can tell us down in the comments. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. Don't